I was not hoping to do it this way today, but here we are. So I am recording this video to give you the information I was hoping to give you in person. A second welcome to our class. This is the credit retrieval class where you can make up credits that you failed earlier by taking online classes. My name is Leah, and I'm going to be your teacher / mentor for this process. I, at the end of this presentation, would like for you to log on to our Canvas website. On that website, there is a link for a survey, form, whatever. I would like for you to fill it out. It verifies what your best contact information is. Sometimes I find that Skyward includes a parent or guardian who is no longer in your life. And so please let me know who the people are that I should be keeping in the loop for this process. Again, the link is going to be in Canvas. So let's talk about Graduation Alliance. Graduation Alliance is the program we are going to use for your online classes. They have 50 plus different classes that they offer. We're going to sign you up for them one class at a time. You will spend 6 weeks per class. Those classes are one semester. So for each of those semester classes, they will have a big list of assignments, and you simply work your way through them. It will split those assignments up into 6 portions, and if you want to do it in an equal manner, you can do all of that week's worth of assignments each week. If you fall behind one week, you can catch up the next week. If you get ahead one week, you can have a slower week. The pace is up to you as long as you're doing your best to stay within the 6 weeks total. All of the assignments and quizzes have an unlimited number of retakes. So you can retake things as many times as you want to, and it will keep your highest grade. Your overall grade in the class, once you get to the end of the class, if you have an 80% or higher, you can skip the final exam and earn credit for that class. So it's a good incentive to keep your assignment scores high because then you skip the final. Now, if the coursework is a little bit difficult for you and your end of class grade is between a 60% and a 79%, then you will need to take the final exam in order to earn credit for the class. You must score at least a 60% on the final exam. And if you don't score 60, you can retake the test multiple times. If you are not scoring well enough on the final exam, you can go back and retake some of your assignments to bring your grade up to an 80%. The final exams are usually password protected and need to happen with a proctor there. I can proctor the final exam for you, or a parent or guardian at home can proctor for you. Your guardian would need to email me and get the information from me in order to proctor, but that is an option. So the way we are organizing this class, there are 3 core expectations that I have for you. We want to see you completing at least 5 assignments each week. I want you to do your best to complete each class within 6 weeks. And if I see that you have been doing nothing, and after the warnings that I give, you continue to do nothing, we will be dropping you from this program after 3 weeks of doing nothing. So I am going to be checking in with you every week to see what progress you've made. You should be making some progress every week. 5 assignments is the basic on-track goal that I kind of look for. But again, it's somewhat subjective, and we'll be chatting every week to kind of figure out where you're at and where you need to go and how to get there and stuff like that. So our weekly routine is really simple. Every Tuesday, I'm going to pull each of you out into the flex area and we'll chat one-on-one about your progress, about your goals, about how things are going, and what a good plan for you would be for the week. Tuesdays, I'm also going to do my best to get an update emailed out to your guardians. And then the rest of the time is individual work time for you to work on your own Graduation Alliance classes. And so Thursdays are a longer day where we have 90 minutes and there's nothing scheduled. I'll offer you guys a break at 1, which is about halfway through the class, and you guys use that time to get as much done on yours as you can. On Fridays, we're going to try something new where I bring in some of our student support advocates, and they just kind of hang out with us on Fridays, and you guys can chat and kind of get to know who they are. Also on Friday, I'll be sending out an email reminder for you if your class is due the following Monday. So let's say 6 weeks have gone by. I will email you on Friday that your course is due on Monday. And that is Monday at 11:59. So basically midnight, Monday night. And if that time comes, Monday at midnight, and you don't have it done, we can discuss next steps and possible extensions. But definitely be in communication with me about what you need. Don't just do nothing. Okay. So I wanted to include some statistics from last year. Last year I had about 103, I think it was 103 students that kind of passed through the credit retrieval program. And those students passed a total of 265 classes, like 265 semester classes. That averaged out to about 5 classes per student. So a lot of students were passing maybe 1 or 2, and that was all they needed. Some students were passing more than that. And so the average was 5 classes per student. And I had 52 of those students finish all the classes in Grad Alliance that they needed for their diploma. And so I just wanted you to see that this program was really successful last year. And I think it will be this year as well. And so I hope that that feels encouraging to you. The last thing that I kind of wanted to talk about is strategies of successful students that I noticed last year. My successful students last year, things that they would bring every day, themselves. Attend every day as much as you can. Those who attended every day tended to get more work done and pass more classes. So do your best to come. Definitely bring your Chromebook every day, since that's what we are doing, is online classes. Bring your charger, because by the end of the day, some Chromebooks are often dead. Bring your headphones because there are often videos that you're watching to learn the content before doing an assignment or a quiz. And then things to do would be get regular sleep. Take care of your body, hydrate and fuel your body. But also check your email every day. I email fairly regularly, and those who receive those emails tend to be keeping better track of their classes and tend to be more successful. And then also use your class time for Grad Alliance. Some students would not use their time wisely, and those were the people who were struggling to get through just a couple classes. So really make a commitment to spending this class time as focused Grad Alliance time. So yeah, that's the information on Graduation Alliance and how our credit retrieval class works. Hopefully I'll be back in class soon to answer questions. I'm available on email as well. What I'd like for you guys to do is continue getting to know each other. I have your sheets from yesterday, but you can go around and just have conversations with people and get to know them. Just chat and hang out and whatever else the person covering the class wants you to do. Okay. So I hope you have a good day. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you later.